Welcome to our guide on building your emergency fund, a critical step toward financial security. An emergency fund is your safety net, designed to cover unexpected financial challenges without derailing your long-term goals. Simply put, it's a pool of readily accessible savings intended only for true financial emergencies. Why is it critical? It protects you from unexpected job loss, medical bills, or major car repairs, preventing debt accumulation. The first step is knowing how much you need to save. This is where setting your goal comes in. The general rule of thumb is to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses. To figure this out, calculate your essential monthly costs: rent, utilities, minimum debt payments, and groceries. Exclude non-essentials like entertainment. Once you have your target, let's talk about the practical steps to start saving effectively. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable monthly bill. Set up automatic transfers to move money to your dedicated fund immediately after payday. Look for areas to cut back on discretionary spending, like subscriptions, dining out, or impulse purchases, and redirect that money straight into your emergency fund. Keep your funds in a high-yield savings account. It keeps the money liquid and separate from your daily finances while earning a small amount of interest. Building the fund is just the beginning. Proper maintenance is key to its success. Remember, this money is for true emergencies only, not for vacations or sales. Stick to your definition of an emergency to keep your safety net intact. If you do use the fund, make replenishing it your #1 financial priority until it's back up to your target goal. An emergency fund is one of the most important financial steps you can take. The fund offers invaluable peace of mind, knowing you can handle life's unexpected events without stress or debt. Don't wait for a crisis to start saving. Take action today and build your financial fortress.